Hello, Yello, and hello again. Come on in, my friends. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey. Oh, I missed you guys. How's everyone doing? You guys, this is day, I don't know. I've pretty much lost count. And I'm almost at my breaking point. As you can see, your girl don't have no makeup on. I got a bonnet on. It's just one of them days, okay? So we just gonna eat with these because I don't want to embarrass myself on here, okay? So I'll just wear these. I know you guys are gonna judge, but it's okay. It's okay, okay? Because look, I got a broke nail, which hurts so bad. I was cleaning, bleaching everything down, and I just... Today, we are doing... Yes. Yes. Can you see it? We're doing Wingstop. Yes, we are. Okay. This is gonna be a quick video, I can tell you right now. I haven't eaten all day, have I? Yes, I did. That was a lie. I had a whole sandwich earlier. Anyway, let's get into the food, okay? I
just gotta get comfortable, cause...
Woo! Okay. We're here. Okay. So, item number one, excuse me. That's more better. Okay. So we have my favorite now. I literally just started liking Wingstop's lemon pepper wings. I just got them for the first time the other day and I ended up liking them. So I've been getting them ever since. I usually just get the original hot. But anyway, today we got lemon pepper and I tried something new this time. Some honestly, I forgot. What was it? Forgive me, y'all. I may or may not have done some recreational activities before this video. So, anywho, I think these are Cajun. No. Nashville? I don't know. I'll put it on the screen when I figure it out. Anyway, that's the first box. We also have, did I show you the wings? Lord, where are my manners? And I also have some original, what is it? Hickory barbecue. I can't think of what anything is called. It's just one of them days. Anyway, and this was my side of choice. Oh, it's dripping. Oh, did you hear that? Dang, my shoulder just popped. Anyway, let me fix Bertha. Okay, these are the voodoo fries. This is supposed to be a large, but it don't look like it. The fuck? Comes with nacho cheese. Or just cheese, ranch, and some voodoo sauce or seasoning, I think. All the condensation. My fries better not be soggy. I only got 4 of that one because I don't know if I'm gonna like it. And oh, did I get a fork? Yes, I did. I'm just gonna put those. Just gonna put those right here. Okay. I know I'm not gonna eat no more than maybe, actually that's good. That's good. And we got some ranch right there. We also got some Coke. I never drink Coke. They actually messed my order up. I usually order, what do I usually order? Strawberry Fanta, but they were out. They did not call me to be like, ma'am, you know, we're out of strawberry Fanta. Would you like anything else? They didn't even call. Nevertheless, I'm gonna drink it anyway. Haven't had a Coke in years. Okay. Let me get a thumbnail.
Oh my gosh. Look. Bertha! She won't stay on. Okay, let me get comfortable. It's hot. Whew. Anyway.
Okay. I'm gonna start off with these fries because they're looking mighty good. Can you see them? Wait, did we say grace? No, we didn't. Okay. Bow our heads. Dear Lord, I want to thank you once again for allowing us to see this day. I ask that you bless us, lead us, and guide us in the right direction. Dear Lord, please bless the food so that it is nourishing to our bodies. That's all we can do is pray. And I pray and hope that these workers everywhere around the world are safe, all the essential workers that are working right now. And I also pray that you keep our household safe and away from this virus that is going around. I ask that you put a move on it and make her, go away. She's the one that needs to be evicted, not me. But just thank you once again for everything. Amen. Amen. Woo! Hot. Hot. She's hot. Woo! Okay. You guys, don't ask me. Why are you putting them glasses on, girl? Mind your business. Mind your business, okay? Okay. Let me open up this ranch. We all in the house looking crazy right now. Don't even try to play ya. Okay, I just didn't comb my hair and I didn't feel like it for the video. So, let's get into these voodoo fries. I got the voodoo for you. Girl. I'm just gonna ignore the sounds. If you guys haven't had the voodoo fries from Wingstop, I don't know what you make them. Let's try. You know what? I'm gonna go right in to the new. Well, it's not new. New to me. Don't look at my nails, okay? Mind your business. Anyway, this is the Cajun. I keep wanting to say Cajun, but I think there's like a Nashville or Louisiana. I think Louisiana, not Nashville. A Louisiana flavor online. So let's try this. Okay, let's see. It's salty. I like it. Oh no, ma'am. I can't do that. Not today, Satan. It's not bad. Dang, it's salty. Whoa. That's salty, but it's good though. Ooh, did I give you guys a bite? I don't want this to drip, but here you go. Right on time. Party people. Party people. Party. Anyway. Woo. Let's get into this barbecue. Hickory barbecue. My husband just got out the shower, so you might hear that. I hope everybody's doing okay. For real, check up on your loved ones, because they say this is supposed to be the week or the next few weeks are supposed to be the worst for this virus. What's next? Lemon pepper. Hey. These are my new favorites. I know, I'm a disgrace. Yes, I don't like a lot of ranch. I know. Don't like a lot of ranch. I know Alexis is like, girl, you are a disgrace. You better dip that chicken wing again. You're right. Just a little bit. I know I probably got stuff all over my face. You know, I've never had their they have butter rolls there at Wingstop as a side, but I've never had them. I don't know why. I always see them and be like, I'm gonna get them next time. I never do. So good. Look at that chicken. Do you see it? Can't even, you know what? Never mind. If you can't see it, oh well. It's delicious. Absolutely. I'm trying to find more stuff to do. We've been literally on the game. Ooh. I just finally finished filing my taxes. Stimulus check come through. Stimulus check come through. Stimulus check come. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I know. I'm a fool. I am. I'm getting full. Excuse my appearance. Okay, it was just one of those days. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. I mean, I don't look bad. I mean, yes, I do. Dang. Put that back on. I do not want to see what this head looks like under here. It's embarrassing. Embarrassing. Let's try one of these. Oh, a flat. Oh my goodness. I'm more of a flat kind of girl. And they gave me like one. But I don't like to be that person that requests, can I get all flats, please? And then they look at you like, the book? But I do prefer flats. You guys leave in the comments. Drums or flats? I prefer flats. Why is this spicy? Oh, it must be because of the Cajun. Ooh, this is spicy. You guys, I'm losing count. Losing track. Oh, that's spicy. I'm losing track of the days. What is today? I don't know. You know what? Y'all gonna see me today. Fix my bonnet. Okay. Oh, I look oily. Anyway. Y'all can judge me. I don't care. I don't care. This food is hitting though. Excuse me, you didn't hear it. Or did you? Lemon pepper. Lemon. Can y'all even see this? Can y'all see it? You might not be able to see it since the wrapper is green. It might be see-through because of the green screen. I'm not wanting to eat the gristle. I can't do it. I wasn't about to make a video today, but I was like, you know what? I have to. I have to. No matter how I look, because it's really starting to get real out here in these streets. Okay? Your girl's growing a mustache. And I can't have that. No growing mustaches over here. That reminds me. I'll be doing a video. I'm trying to start my clear face journey. So I'm gonna start doing like weekly masks and mask recipes. I got a few in mind. So y'all stay tuned for that. Looks good, doesn't it? I know, it is good. I am making a mess. They actually fry these to perfection. Like, perfect. I like them pretty crispy. So, they did that. Okay, why? I just don't understand why I can't eat that much. And then I either overcook, thinking I'm gonna eat it all because I be hungry at the time, or I over order and I get too much food. But I'll eat some leftovers, okay? I'm gonna eat this one last barbecue. I've started the 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats challenge. It was like my third night doing it. Before I go to bed, I do 100 squats, 100 push-ups, and 100 sit-ups. It's been hard. Ooh, William. But I can't just be laying in bed all day. I gotta get active. I'm not gonna get a summer body. Oh! Speaking of which, I literally I had just signed up for a membership right before all this all this corona stuff popped off. I had just got a gym membership and they just took that $49.99. Well, luckily they put our accounts on hold, but still, like, dang, can I get my money back for the month? I ain't gone. Upset about that. And I will be posting weekly. I think I want to do on Wednesdays, workout Wednesdays. It'll be some cute little quick workouts. It's like these fries are even good cold. They're not cold right now, but I've had them when they are cold and they're good. I'm full. Me and my husband are about to probably get back on the game. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, to my channel. If you're new here, and if you're not new, you already know how it go. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for caring. I love you guys. You guys are my motivation, really. Be my motivation. Whatever happened to her? She still make music? Me and my husband are about to play the game. I just found our playing cards, so we're about to start playing cards. What else? I don't know, I'm gonna find something. Oh, and we have a special guest coming up in a future video. Yep, can't wait for that. Very excited. Very excited to come on camera. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go, okay? Because I'm about to take a nap. I'm about to do my push-ups, sit-ups, and squats, and then I'm going to sleep, okay? It is kind of early, but I just want to sleep. Okay, we're gonna get back at it tomorrow. Workout Wednesday. I'll see you guys in the next video without a doubt. It's your girl Ayodesi from Ayodesi TV. We signing out.